Well, good day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Excuse the mess on the bench. I'm in the middle of a dog biscuit day. I've just done some pumpkin and liver ones, which I'll throw a link up for. And while they're cooking, I'm gonna mix up some peanut butter cups ones for the dogs. Now, for those who say that dogs can't eat chocolate, you're right. They end up projectile vomiting. It is very toxic for them. What they can eat though is carob chocolate. This is one that I bought for the dogs. And they can eat carob. So carob's fine for them. Peanut butter, we all know dogs love peanut butter. So that's what we're going with for this recipe. You want to make sure on your peanut butter that the ingredients do not contain any artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners, especially the one they use in peanut butter, is also a bad thing for dogs. So you want to make sure you don't have any artificial sweeteners in it. It just wants to be peanuts. So we're going to go probably about a cup of peanut butter. And into that we're going to add a cup of chicken stock. Or beef stock, doesn't really matter. Dogs aren't fussy, either one tastes good to them. Just gives it an extra bit of flavour for them, which they enjoy on top of the flavour treats, which is the chocolate and the peanut butter. Then they have the base flavour. Alright, so we're just going to warm this up in the microwave until the peanut butter gets liquid and our stock is hot. So it's a hot water pastry, and we just want to get it to the stage where it is a hot water. It's hot. Yeah. Here we go. That's all heated up, mixed together. And so we will put that in our mixing bowl.
I didn't need a drink.
No, hang on, darling. We're doing the hot part. Now to this, we're going to add some wholemeal self-raising flour. Not yet.
Not yet.
That'll melt. We're going to add some wholemeal self-raising flour. Put in a couple of cups. Mix it up, and just keep adding until we start getting towards a dough rather than a batter. No, not yet, doll. I need it to cool down a bit before they go in. That's getting towards where I want the dough. Now I'm just going to let it cool off a bit more. It does need a bit more flour to it, but I've chopped up the carob for them, so it's in smaller pieces. It does not chop as good as chocolate will. So not yet though. I need to get the dough to cool down enough that it's not going to melt the chocolate, but it still needs to be warm enough where it's a hot water dough. So I've just got to find that fine point between it being too cool and too hot. So we'll just let it cool for a little bit and then we'll go back with it. We've cooled off a little bit, probably still a bit warm, but as I said, I've got to keep enough temperature in it where it's still a hot water dough. So we're going to add that extra flour in. And Astrid, we're going to add in the chocolate. Good girl. Tip up. Give it a shake. Good girl. Now we're just going to knead through the last of that flour and the chocolate.
To help?
Yeah, it's a bit hard to help though. Not while I'm doing it in a bowl. Alright, there we go. As you can see, we've got a little bit of melting happening. That's fine. Blend the flavours for them. Okay, and now we're going to roll it out. Just let me move the camera if someone wants to help. The baby? Okay, you cut a biscuit? How about we do it towards the edge? Over here. Press. Press. Good girl. Give it a shake. Alrighty. Press. Here, press. Press down. And a shake. Put that on a sheet of baking paper. We're going to put it into an oven at 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and they're just going to cook until they're golden brown. So I'll bring you back once they're all cooked up. Okay, these are our chocolate chip ones, or our peanut butter cup dog biscuits. Don't touch them, they're hot. Very hot.
It's hot.
Yeah, they are hot.
Yeah, hot.
Okay, luckily our taste testers are outside at the moment.
Elfie's at the door shaking.
Because these are way too hot. So once they cool down, we shall have the taste testers have a go at them. And here's our taste test. No, that's enough. They're gonna want more though. No, that's enough, Astrid. Is that good, Bobby? Bobby, is that good? No, no more. All right, thank you very much everyone for watching, and bye for now.